This is the tool for adjusting the rear shock absorber. It is a C-spanner wrench for preload adjustment. Spray some penetrating oil on the adjuster or the lower perch. Then grab the C-spanner wrench. In the owner's manual, it indicates that there are 4 settings for the shock absorber adjustment. Setting number 1 has minimal preload, which means that the spring has minimum compression, allowing it to have a softer ride. This is designed for riders without passenger. Setting number 4 has the maximum preload, which means that the spring is compressed more, resulting to a stiffer ride. This is designed for riders with passengers. If you use the setting number 1 while riding with a passenger, the suspension will drop the height and have a bouncy ride. The bad thing about this Vespa is that it has a low ground clearance. I need to set it to number 4 in order to increase the height. This is quite difficult to adjust since the spring unloads more due to the compression. I found a spark plug tool in the tool bag, and I will use this as an extension to have more leverage. Now it is much more easier to adjust than before. And it is now set to number 4 adjustment. Riding with a passenger is not a problem anymore. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless.